thousands of feet above the Persian Gulf, the scale is immense. The sun's golden rays break across the surface.
Watch your footing near the chain drive. Copy that, moving now.
Pressure reading on manifold 4 is stable.
Noted. Check the separator valve next.
Torque it up now. All right, she's tight. Move to the next one.
Watch that pressure curve on line 3. Are we seeing any influx?
Negative, looks like a microfracture closing off. Holding steady.
Clear the red zone. We're moving the pipe now.
Watch the pressure on that line.
The camera follows the drill string downward through the water column, approaching the ocean floor beneath the offshore drilling platform.
Keep an eye on the pressure gauge there. The flow rate is steady. Copy that. Looks good on the clipboard readings too.
Log the pressure reading on gauge 7. Reading confirmed.
Platform control, this is a VLCC Poseidon approaching waypoint Charlie.
Over.
Roger that, Poseidon. Maintain course. We have supply traffic clearing your starboard. Out.
Control, this is the deck. Arm is positioned, confirming alignment with the manifold. Stand by for coupling.
Torquing the flange bolts now.
Make sure the gasket is seated correctly.
All tight on this side, ready for pressure check.
Platform. Flow rate remains steady.
Acknowledged. We are approaching final capacity. Maintain current pressure. Cargo operations complete. Confirm volume transferred.
Roger that. Tanker, proceed with disconnection sequence.
Platform, this is the Alpha tanker. All secure, paperwork confirmed. We are ready to depart.
alongside, Captain.
Roger that. Make the approach.
Morning, everyone. Today this is on the deep control store. Ensure all T-check runs log.
Good morning, team. Today's critical task is the high pressure line maintenance. Ensure all safety protocols are followed and double check your permits before starting work.
I'm adjusting the choke valve now. Roger that. Pressure holding steady at 1400.
Check the pressure on line 3.
Got it. Flow rate is steady.
Watch your step there. Mind the bags. Got it. Thanks. See you in a few weeks.
Control room, this is the field team. Detector Bravo 7 confirmed.
Over.
All right, deck, the load is clear of the vessel. Swinging towards you now.
Roger that. Come ahead slowly. We have the taglines. Easy, easy, and set her down.
Wave height prediction just jumped to 5 meters.
We should advise the deck crew to cease operations.
Output steady at 98%. Minor pressure fluctuation on the gamma line around 2 p.m., but it's stabilized.
All right, I'll watch the gamma line. Running smooth otherwise.
The tiny platform in the center represents all of the extraordinary human engineering effort of offshore oil extraction.
The platform standing as a monument to the industrial achievement that connects oil reservoirs beneath the seabed to the energy needs of the world above.
A final philosophical image of the global petroleum industry in miniature. The ancient hydrocarbons
strategically critical body of water and its surrounding desert nations whose economies are built upon the petroleum.
Every frame in this video has been transformed from multi-staging process from GAF conceptualization to your 3-generation human creativity leads every step. This channel is dedicated to original aircraftsmanship and follows our 2026 duty monetization rules.